Hi guys, welcome to Mita in Germany. So it's a new day and we are going to explore a new city. Today we are in Leipzig. It's a very historical city and it's about like 3 hours from Berlin. So yeah, we are going to spend 4 to 5 hours in Leipzig. And before that, you have to look at the railway station. Just look at the Grand Hall. It's too fancy to be a railway station, right? This also reminds me of Milan railway station. Also, guys, do you know this railway station, Leipzig Bahnhof, is one of the most important passenger station in Central Europe, and it's so beautiful. Yeah. By the way, now we are going to the first stop. Our first stop for today. That's Napoleon Stein. So right now we are standing in front of Battle of Nations monument. This is a very historic and very important place. The importance of this place is that this is where Napoleon's army was defeated and was forced to retreat to France. So this is the place where Napoleon lost his last battle. Nearly 600,000 soldiers were killed during the war. This was actually built during 1913 to pay tribute to Napoleon's defeat in 1813. This is Europe's largest war monument. So let's go and check out. We got the tickets. Now we are going inside. The ticket costs €10 per person. Let's go. Look on the top, you can see soldiers. And did you notice something? All the statues' faces, they're so upset, sad, or just see. This is similar to Eiffel Tower top view. The stairs are so narrow that you need to wait for your turn and see there's a traffic light that needs to be green. Going down. So right now we are standing in front of the University of Leipzig. This is actually world's one of the most oldest university. This is expertise in medical and research. I think this was built during 15th century. So currently we are going towards Old Market Square. Now we'll be going inside St. Nicholas Church. It's actually one of the major church in central Leipzig. I think this was constructed during 12th century in Romanesque style, but then in 18th century they constructed it again in Baroque style, like similar to the Dresden style. So let's go inside and check out. Wasn't the interior of the church so beautiful? And the best thing, it was free. And let's continue exploring. So we are at the marketplace. So this is the old marketplace. This is the most, I think, happening place in Leipzig. So this, if you are coming here, or like do spend half day just shopping. There's so many outlets. So perfect place for shopping, especially for girls. So we'll be spending next few hours by shopping and having lunch. And also, if you are coming to Leipzig with family, especially with kids, I would suggest you should go to the zoo because that's like the top rated zoo in Germany. We are not going there this time, we are just keeping it this time. Probably we are keeping it for next time. This is St. Thomas Church. This is one of the most famous and very beautiful church in Leipzig. There's a very beautiful organ inside the church. So let's see if we can go inside, if it's open to tourists. Isn't the church so beautiful? And the best thing is here, you don't need to buy tickets. You can just go inside, pray, relax for some time. And if you are planning to come to St. Thomas Church, you need to follow these timings. We just took a small break because Saikad wanted to fly the drone, so he's just checking if it's allowed to fly the drone here. So we have a big problem here. Just now I was saying that he's trying to fly the drone. He was about to fly it and some error happened and it got stuck in the tree. I can see it. It's not so above, but we don't have any stick, long stick or anything. So he has gone to the market to check if we can buy any long umbrella or any stick, which we can just use to poke it because I can see it. It's here. Let me show you. You can see the light is blinking there. We got back the drone. How? Let me tell you. We tried using this umbrella and we threw it so high that this also got stuck. And then we didn't have any other option. I said, let me try climbing the tree. And for the first time in life, I don't remember during childhood if I have ever done that, but I climbed the tree and I got this and this bag. So happy that I could climb the tree and got back our drone. Oh, this is an insane trip, I think.
It was really a amazing thing to see her climb. I tried my best, but yeah, it's not easy to climb trees. You need a lot of core strength. She does Zumba. She used to do Zumba. Now she does a lot of core exercises anyway, and that's
Running actually, not
Yeah.
not exercise, but yeah.
that's very important, I think. So we have a fitness person here. I am not a fitness person.
No, I think the important thing is that I was so scared to lose this drone, and there wasn't any other way to get it back.
Yeah, she did an excellent job, and she also with that dress of hers. Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, wearing dress and climbing trees. I mean, we were busy getting it down. We couldn't shoot it, or else it would have been very epic shot. But yeah, anyway, nonetheless, we got it back. That's what matters, and we both are good. No, we didn't get hurt. Little bit scratches. That's all. But yeah, we got it back. So we have our train to next destination in 1 hour. We are not getting any positive vibe to fly the drone anymore today. So yeah, we are not just taking the risk. We are not feeling it. So we are not flying it today to capture the old town. But yeah, probably next time. It was quite stressful event, you can say. But thankfully, we got it back. So we are really happy about it. So we reached the railway station. We actually kept our luggage in the locker. I'll just show it to you. If you are coming here for a day trip and not just staying in a hotel, you can keep all your luggage in the locker room. It costs €4. So that's all from today. We are heading to our next destination. I'm not going to mention the name here. Stay tuned for the next video where we are going. I'm super excited. So yeah, that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.